Alright, so you saw the magic words in the title, you saw the word giveaway, and that's why you clicked on the video. So this video is just going to be for giving away this little USB tester. We're going to talk about that in this video. I have one extra one sent by Makerfire, and I'm going to show a little demo how it's used. There's some other stuff here. There are going to be other giveaways in other videos. So I already posted this charger up on my community page. It was like 40% off or something like that. If you grabbed it for like $18.50, congratulations! It's now sold out. So I will post this again when they're back in stock, and there'll be a different discount code in that video, not this one. So wait for that video. There'll be a giveaway for this, as well as this power brick or this power bank, 20,000 milliamp hour power bank, also from the same company, Evotronic. Again, that giveaway will be in a different video, so if you don't want to miss that one, make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. Otherwise, if you miss the giveaway period, which will be only 24 hours, then basically you snooze, you lose. So make sure you're ready for that one if you're interested in getting this giveaway. And there'll be two winners for this for that video. One for the power supply. This is a power brick, and one for the power bank. If you're seeing this video and you're like, well, here's this VFly Whoop Store, I have an active giveaway on this one, but it's probably going to be over in a few hours. I'm posting this video on the same day that the Whoop Store giveaway will be ending. So if you're coming to this video a bit on the late side, you're probably not, and we're not aware of the giveaway for the Whoop Store, then you're probably going to miss it. So I'm selecting the winner for this giveaway pretty soon, later the day that this video comes out. So I know it's a little confusing. I know there's a lot of giveaways going on my channel right now, and the only thing that's being given away on this video is this tester right here, and we're going to talk about that. So I have it actually plugged in and active, and you see it's actually charging up this little 1S Whoop battery on this Whoop Store. And it's a pretty low voltage and amp. It's like 0.2 amps. And this little tester here gives you data on how much milliamps are going in, the amp draw, etc. So it just basically gives you like data on like voltage, amperage, and capacity. And then this also, you have this little button over here. You can rotate this display. So basically it's saying 12 volts on input on this USB-C port here, and this power bank is putting USB-C power delivery at 12 volts, and so far about 5 milliamp hours have gone out. And you can see some of the other data here, 0.07 amps. So you can see there's a slight difference between what's going into the battery versus like how much amperage is being used to power up the tester plus the Whoop Store charger. And then you can cycle through the different displays here. 12.1 volts, and these numbers are super tiny, so hopefully you'll be able to see that on video. And again, more data. And I'm not going to read off every little thing here about this guy because, this is for those of you guys that want a deep dive into how your devices are working in terms of USB stuff. You can see here we have a USB Type-C input on this side, regular USB-A input over here, and then on this side you have a USB Type-C output and a USB-A output on this side. And let me just, instead of reading off all the specs here, I'm just going to show you what's in the manual. You can pause the video and read to your heart's content. Let me get this into focus here. So yeah, it's a pretty useful tool if you're interested in getting some sort of data on what's going on with your USB devices, how much capacity, for example, you want to test like how much capacity is on this power bank. I'll probably do that on this thing here for that video. But otherwise it's not super interesting. I know that, some of you guys are like, oh great, I probably already have one of these, or oh, I need one of those. either you're kind of one of those camps. I kind of didn't even know about these things. I was like, oh, it's kind of interesting. Let's check it out. And I actually think this is pretty useful, especially like seeing like stuff like this. You can see, for example, I can see it's working on USB-C power delivery, getting 12.1 volts, etc. So it's useful data in that sense. You can kind of test things if things are working the way it's supposed to be working. Now, regarding the giveaway, I have one of these. They sent it to me, so I have to ship it to you. So unfortunately, I have to ask you to pay for shipping. Also, there's going to be a entry form in the description. You have to fill that out. And on top of that, also leave a comment as well. I'll leave all the giveaway instructions on the entry form. So you've got to click the link to the entry form, read all the rules, etc., and leave your comment in the comment box down below, and that'll complete your entry. And I will pick the winner 24 hours after the release of this video. If you've seen this video a few days later, just keep in mind that I'm going to be doing all these giveaways kind of quickly, and so it's really important to have your notifications turned on. Otherwise, if you don't come to the video right away and comment right away, or at least within the 24-hour period that the giveaway windows are open, then yeah, you're unfortunately not going to be able to win. Unfortunately, I want to do it this way because otherwise it just takes too long to do the turnaround and all these. And also, by the time the winner is selected, I have to contact them, and then I'm only going to give them 24 hours to respond back to me. Some of these guys never respond back to me, or they take 6 months to respond back to me. And so I'm just like, I don't want like these giveaways to be like, out there for too long. I just want them to be done with and pick a winner and move on to the next one, because I want to keep doing more of these. If I have basically, if these are too slow and basically the system gets clogged up, I can't do as many of these giveaways because it takes up too much of my bandwidth. So that's why I'm doing this way. Unfortunately, if you don't like it, I'm sorry, there's not much I can do about it. This is just the way it's going to be going forward. So just make sure your notifications are turned on, and then you'll know when the videos come out. And if you see there's a giveaway in them, you can enter. Now, I'm probably not going to be advertising every single giveaway. So if you're like only looking for the words giveaway, maybe, you might miss that video if you don't click on it. So I'm going to try and make it a little bit more stealth, because there's some kind of good stuff I want to give to my loyal viewers that are clicking on my videos. And so those probably won't have the keywords giveaway clickbaiting everyone to click on it in the title. So just something to keep in mind. And again, I will have another giveaway for the power bank and the power brick in another video. Again, have your notifications turned on so you don't miss that video. That's going to do it for this one. I'll talk to you guys later.